Hello YouTube, this is Dot from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small haul. Sorry about the lighting, it's dark. We're getting dark rather, the sun is setting. Let me see if I can, that makes it better. So I just have a little hodgepodge of nothing big, just mismatch stuff from a couple spots. So I did go to AC Moore's since they're going out of business, and we do have AC Moore's here. I only went to one, but I did pick up, wasn't, you know, the sale yet. You know how they do when you have a going out of business sale. Sometimes some things on sale and some things regular price, and other things price look like it's an older or different price. So, but they did have some, you know, at least 25% off most stuff, but it's not really a sale yet. So I'll wait. Anyway, I did pick up, they had these 50% off, these pin backs, which they were cheaper than Michael's, so that was a good deal. And that was for some ribbons, and they had these with adhesive packs. Just picked up a pack of doilies, so that was 50% off, so that was $1. And it's like 32 pieces, so that wasn't bad. And then this little stencil set, it was $3 I think, and I got it for half price, which Michael has it for the same price, but it was, you know, half off. So that's the only thing I got from there. Went to Michael's and got these two 50% and 20% and 25% off or whatever, something like that. So I just needed some cheap ink and some more tape. And went to the Dollar Tree, picked up some little batteries. Oh, and got that from Walmart. I'm sorry. Needed some more stuff. I figured I'm on home vacation, might as well go home and get some labeling done. Another tray. I always put projects in these trays. And the rest from the Dollar Tree, which I was really surprised to find this, but excited to try it out. I did get this little scallop container. I kind of got it to hold what I was carrying in my hand, but then I kept it anyway. But what I was excited to get was they had some faux leather ribbon. So I ended up getting 2 of the gold. Now it's not a lot up here, it's only 3 yards, but for $1, you know, it's not bad. I thought making some bows out of this. So again, this is faux leather and some tassels. These are the only ones they had in that color, and they had 1 silver. I'm about to check some more Dollar Trees. By the time this video up, I mean, they might be all gone. But they had this burgundy, and then they had these, and then black, and then 2 shades of brown. So yeah, so make sure you look and check at your Dollar Tree for that, because you can do a lot of things, like I said, tassels and bows and different things like that. I think they'd be really cool with that. Then the last thing I picked up, where I already showed you this before. I got this stencil set for 75 cents, and these metal ones real cheap. These normally $1.88, this is $2.88. Well, anyway, I was at another Walmart. They didn't have theirs on sale, so I didn't get any more of these metal ones, but I did get some more of these stencils, and they have 8 in the pack. So I plan to do more like Bible note taking, and I wanted to do more illustratively, if that's I said that correctly. So anyway, this is the first one. They don't have names on these, but they do have different, you can tell the difference by the pockets. They have 8 sheets, and they have them numbered at the corner. So let's see, I'll show you real quickly. But I thought these would be nice just for your planners and different stuff like that. So to put 1 in the corner. So this one is all obviously about working out, different stuff like that. But you can also, you know, take a composition notebook, and you can draw, sketch, stencil rather, what's going on as well. I had an extra one of these when I was going through them. This one had 2 of that one in there. So, you know, this is just some, you know, whatever you want to encourage yourself in. If you have a binder, notebook, if you have anything you could, you know, use the stencil. I like stencils because you know, I was talking about my handwriting. So I don't like my handwriting. So I like the stencils, and I want to do, I'm getting back into my, I didn't do as much Bible studies I did this last year, and I kind of fell off. I mean, I still read my Bible every day. I finish my Bible every year, but I didn't do as much study as I normally do. So I just decided, that's the priority. I can't let this start slipping, and I did. I think since I started my new job, so actually it's been a year and a half, 2 years, and I just not have been doing as much because I had so much traveling, blah blah blah. So, but I'm gonna make that a priority this year, and I figured out some ways I can do it even with me traveling, just to get myself back a little bit more organized. So that is my goal, and I probably do another channel, and if so, I have a link below because I want to do more illustrated by faith, not illustrated faith, but illustrated by faith. And I'm a visual learner, so that, you know, helps. And so this one, so you have these little folders that you can put them in. Let's see, can't really see it up here as much, but anyway, celebrate, you know. But I just like the icons. And for somebody who doesn't like to write, you know, it's helpful to have that. You can't really see that out too well. It's kind of washed out, sorry. But anyway, the point of it is that you might want to check out some of these stencils. You know, you can use them in your planners. You can use them on your art journals. Any kind of journal. Any kind of note if you do it annotated. You know, you want to take some notes and make them illustrated. So your verbal note taking, which I think I had been thinking about. My grandson has been another way. He's a verbal person, not verbal, excuse me, visual person. I'm saying verbal. Lordy, lordy, lordy. I need to go to bed or something. But anyway, so this is that. You can see the back of them. I'll let you see it this way. Hopefully you can see it. See, it's not that good. But anyway, so I'm thinking this is a good way. I remember this from psychology, like people to learn, like when you make your memories more, when you memorize something more creatively, you learn it better. And I just think it's a neat way to, like, just illustrate, take your time, just like people do with Bible journaling. And this would be note taking or scripture writing. You can use this in it. I don't decorate I don't do it in my Bible, but I would do it in a notebook. So I think I'm gonna do the scripture writing this year, and again, I don't know by the time this video is gonna be up, but this is before. When is this? Yeah, this is, still got time to smoke for the year's over with, but I got some other videos that's in line, so this probably won't show to the first of the year. But these are just some of the things I just want to incorporate and encourage people to, you know, think about, you know, what you want to work on and get yourself refocused. 2020, can you believe that? Another decade. And I know if I'm not doing the best, but anyway, check out, these are Walmart. They have, you know, their own stencil stuff. This is by Penny Gear. They have lots of nice journals, very affordable. And if you like to draw, they even have mixed media journals, $5, $6, you know, so with the leather, you know, cover and all that kind of stuff. So they had, I think, one more that I didn't get, and it was more like the anatomy of the body or something to me. So I guess like if you're in school and you're learning that or something, but I don't need that, so then get that's the only one I don't have. But I figure I could use these stencils, and it's just a trace. And the months of the year. So you just have to kind of check it out. Days of the week, shorthand and abbreviation. I mean, the long, that's the same thing. Word written out and abbreviation. Alphas, and see, I like all of these little for background doodling and stuff like that, patterns and stuff. You could even use this on scrapbook layouts, ATC cards, index cards, all this stuff, you know, these little edgings and tracings and stuff. So you don't have to just use it for like Bible journaling, but you can use it for all of that as well. So anyway, that was my thought. And that was one of the things I want to be working on this year. And so anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Oh, and so these all come in these little pockets, which are really nice, because then you just fold them back the other way, and then you just keep them. So that's the good thing, you just keep them like that. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.